Today I will show you how to set any song as your iPhone ringtone for free without downloading any songs from random websites, and also not using the Shortcuts application to make it more complicated. This iPhone hack works perfectly fine on both iOS 17 and iOS 18, so without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you will need YouTube, which you are currently using to watch this video. Then you need to open the App Store and search for Garage Ringtones for iPhone and install it. Also install the GarageBand app, which is a free default app by Apple, and place it on the iPhone home screen. Now open YouTube and search for the song which you want to set as your iPhone ringtone. In my case, I chose a song by Avicii. Before playing the video, go to the Control Center and tap on the screen recording toggle. If you do not have the screen recording toggle on your Control Center, I will show how you can place it on both iOS 17 and 18 versions. In iOS 18, you have to tap on the top left plus icon and then tap on Add a Control at the bottom. Here you can see the screen recording toggle. Tap on it, and it will be placed in the Control Center. For iOS 17, you have to go to the Settings application and scroll down to tap on the Control Center. Scroll down again to find the screen recording option, then tap the green plus sign to add it in the Control Center. Now tap the button to start the screen recording, and then go back to the YouTube application and play the video of your song. I have kept the audio on mute and blurred the video due to copyright issues on YouTube. Also, don't worry if any ad pops up before the video if you do not use YouTube Premium like me. I will show you later how you can fix it as well. Record the song for more than 30 seconds, which is the ringtone length limit. Then tap the dynamic island or the toggle in the Control Center to stop the screen recording. Swipe up to go to the home screen and tap on Garage Ringtones. A pricing page will pop up to use the advanced features, but you need to tap on a limited version in the middle. An ad may pop up just like YouTube, which you can skip. Then you have to tap on the plus icon at the bottom and select Video Library. Tap on the latest screen recording on the top left, and the video will be automatically converted to audio waveform. Now you can select the slider to move to the start of your song and tap on the scissor icon to crop the audio, thereby deleting the ad part before the video. You can tap on the play button in the middle to preview the audio, and even use fade in and fade out options for your ringtone. Once you are happy with your selection, tap on the Set Ringtone button at the bottom. Then you have to select GarageBand to set the created ringtone in the Settings application. If you do not see the GarageBand icon, you can swipe right and tap on the 3 dots more option, where you can select the GarageBand option. Tap on it, and the app will open in the landscape view. A project file will be created in the Recent section. Then tap and hold to select the Share button. Then tap on Ringtone. Select the project to rename your iPhone ringtone, and then tap on Export on the top right. Then GarageBand will crop the ringtone length automatically as set by Apple. Then tap OK, and then it will start exporting your ringtone in the Settings application. Tap on OK, and swipe up to go to the home screen. Open the Settings application, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Select Ringtone option, and you will see your ringtone above the default ringtone set by Apple. That's it. Select your song to set as your iPhone ringtone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Techloper. Tap here for more such iPhone tech perks. See you over there.